under 25,000 Rand is this innocent looking 2006 Chevrolet Spark. It has a 1 liter 4-cylinder motor that produces only 47 kilowatts and 87 Newton meters of torque, and it sends all that little power to the front wheels via a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's listed at a starting bidding price of 13,000 Rand with 218,000 Ks on the clock, and the reason for the green Dekra sticker is because this wheel has excessive play. There was a misfire detected on the motor, and also the gearbox mountings are worn. Basically, these are 13-inch wheels wrapped with high-fly tires. The paint faded on the roof over the years, so this car has been standing in the sun quite a lot over the years. What you guys will notice is that there's a dent on this side of the vehicle. It is locked, but it has a 5-speed manual gearbox with front electric windows, manual windows for your rear passengers. It has air conditioning, power steering, and aftermarket Sinotech CD player. It has no service history with a fuel consumption of 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers. So this is the last vehicle under 25,000 Rand at WeBuyCars.